Alright y'all, so let me give y'all a little update on what we got right now. That's what the bike looks like, and I got a cabinet to fit all of my tools and stuff in, and parts and shit. This actually saved me a lot of space, but over here it's all engine now, none of the extra parts and stuff in the way. But what I'm about to do is start on the engine, because I finally got the seals, got the engine seals and a bunch of jets. This is actually what the other case, the top case, looked like. I actually cleaned it up. It's still dirty, but it looked 10 times better than what it did before. So what I'm about to do is finish cleaning the case, and then I'm gonna start on assembly of the engine. I already pressure washed it, but I gotta scrub some of the dirt off to make it look all pretty. But yeah, I'll be back when I do that. Alright y'all, a quick pause in the action. I found out why the dude I found out why he didn't put that D-ring on there. And I thought that I lost it, but I don't think I did. I think he just didn't put it on there. The problem was this idle gear, there's a brass sleeve on the inside of it. And the sleeve, you know what, I'm gonna just go ahead and take it off and show y'all. Alright, now check this out. This sleeve has like a brass collar on the inside of it, and I don't know if you can tell, but that little brass collar or sleeve or whatever you want to call it is hanging up slightly past the gear. And the problem is, once you put this D-ring on there, I think, is that even what, I just be making up names for shit. But anyway, once you put that D-ring on there and then try to put the C-clip, the C-clip won't fit with that D-ring and the sleeve on the back. And I'm guessing he probably just took the D-ring off and just threw this on there just to get it on there. But what I did was I used some 80 grit sandpaper, and I filed that little brass part down so that it'll fit flush, and I just barely got it on there, so it's a tight fit, but it works like it should now. So this is actually a little wobbly, but once I put this ring on here, this D-ring, then it just works like it should. I'm about to run out of battery, but I'm gonna record as much as I can. Hopefully I can record the rest of the top end and get you guys that video. All right, y'all. I've done all that I'm gonna do today. I'm pretty tired actually because it just took me a lot longer than I thought it would, but it still wasn't a surprise if that means anything to you. But um, my first time on a Banshee engine, I feel like I did pretty good for not knowing pretty much anything. I watched a lot of Kevin Galindo's videos and that helped. Basically tomorrow I'm gonna do a leak down test, so I'm not gonna put it in the frame yet. But yeah, I'm gonna let this sealant. I'm gonna let this sealant dry overnight. I put a lot in there actually, probably put a little too much. But everything looked good. I had a tough time with that head, but no real surprises at all. I'm trying to think of what else. But basically tomorrow I'm gonna finish putting the rest of this together. Well, I'm gonna do a leak down test first, and then I'm gonna put the rest of it together, and then I can go ahead and throw it into the frame.